scary that way. Look how much push we're trying to hold the raft in.
Go, go! Nice try. Good job, Team A.
Good job. Team D. I'll have the door open. You should figure it out. Team D.
Yeah, I didn't answer, so she can figure it out. So it'd be the dumbass. Where do I park? Park on the fucking lawn, dumbass. We told her we'd be in the backyard.
Huh?
We said we were gonna be in the backyard. Go. Go! Oh. Yay! My nose is running.